In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email campaign in Constant Contact. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from draft to delivery with a clear checklist and a few helpful tips along the way. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you use two-step verification, have your code ready. Once you're in, head to the campaigns area. Find the email campaign you want to send, use the search bar or filters if you have a lot of drafts, and open it so you can take a final look before launching. Start with the essentials. Review the subject line, the sender name, and the email content. Keep the subject short, clear, and direct, and avoid spammy elements like excessive punctuation or all caps. If you've added preview text, make sure it complements the subject and doesn't repeat it word for word. Confirm the sender name is the one your audience recognizes and trusts, and that the reply to address is monitored. Then scan your email content carefully. Check for typos, broken links, and image quality. Make sure buttons are easy to tap on mobile and that your message flows logically from headline to call to action. If you use personalization, confirm the fallback looks natural in case a contact's data is missing. Also verify that your footer information and unsubscribe link are in place to stay compliant. Next, choose the contact list or audience for the send. Go to the recipients section and select the appropriate list or segment. Double check that you have the right group and glance at the estimated send count so it aligns with your expectations. Constant Contact will automatically exclude unsubscribed or invalid addresses, but it's still good practice to confirm you're sending to the correct audience for the message. Now decide whether to send immediately or schedule for later. If it's time sensitive, send now is straightforward. If you prefer to schedule, pick a date and time that suits your audience's time zone and habits. Many senders see better engagement during weekday mornings, but choose what matches your recipient's behavior and your campaign goals. Finally, confirm the send. Review the summary screen one more time. Subject, sender, content, audience, and timing. Then approve. After it's queued, check the campaign status on your dashboard or in the reporting section to see whether it's scheduled, sending, or sent. Once it's delivered, you can monitor performance like opens and clicks to inform your next send. That's it. Your campaign is on its way with confidence and clarity.